Solve the equation. Solution. We have 8 divided by 3y minus 3 over 3 over 7 equals to 0. 8 divided by 3y. So we need to convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. 7 times 3 we have 21. 21 plus 3 we have 24. So we have minus 24 over 7 is equals to 0. And we can write this 0 as 0 divided by 1. So in this case, LCM of the denominators, that the LCM of 3y, 7, and 1 equals to. Now, what is the highest common factors of 3y, 7, and 1? Is still 1. So since the highest common factors of the three mathematical expressions is 1 rather, then the LCM of the denominators is going to be product of the three expressions. So we have 3y times 7 times 1. And that will give us what? 3y times 7, that's 21y. So times 1 we have 21y. Multiplying all through by the LCM. So multiply all through by 21y. So we have 21y times 8 divided by 3y minus 21y times 24 divided by 7 is equals to 21y times 0 divided by 1. Now, we simplify. 3y here, 1. Then 3y here is going to be 7. So we have 7 times 8. That will give us 56. Equals to 7 here, 1. Then 7 in 21, we have what? 3. So we have 3y times 24. What is 3y times 24? 24 times 3 is 72. So 3y times 24 will give us 72y. Then we have this to be equals to 21y times 0. That will give us what? 0. So the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. Collecting the like terms, what do we have? Or we just take minus 72y to the right. So we have 56 equals to what? Taking minus 72y to the right, we have 0 plus 72y. So in this case, it means that we have 56 equals to 0 plus 72y, we have 72y. Now the next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 72. So we have 56 divided by 72 equals to 72y divided by 72. So 72 here, 1, 72 here, 1. Now, how do we reduce 56 divided by 72? We can use here 4. 56 divided by 4 will give us 14. And 72 divided by 4 will give us 18. So in this case, we can also reduce further. You know, here we have y equals to 14 divided by 18. Reducing further, we can use 2 to divide both numerator and denominator. Now, 14 divided by 2 will give us 7. And 18 divided by 2 will give us 9. So it means that the value of y gives us 7 divided by 9. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.